Once upon a time, in a small town, a school teacher placed two chairs at the front of her classroom. On one chair, she taped a paper that said, white. On the other chair, she taped a paper that said, black. She called two students forward. One was a white boy, the other a black boy. Both were nervous. Both were curious. The teacher gave them the same challenge. Sit down, close your eyes, and tell me what you feel. The white boy said, I feel a hard seat under me. The black boy said, I feel the same thing. The class laughed. But the teacher wasn't done. She asked again, do you feel the label under you? Do you feel the word black or the word white pressing into your skin? Both boys shook their heads. No, we just feel the chair. Then the teacher turned to the class and said, do you see? The world is like these chairs. It doesn't care what label we put on it, white, black, brown, yellow. Inside it is the same. It is us, humans, who stick the labels and start to believe they are real. The room went silent. That day, those children learned something many adults still haven't. That racism is not born in the heart. It is planted in the mind. And if it can be planted, it can also be uprooted. Years later, the white boy became a doctor. The black boy became a lawyer. They met again at a hospital. Not as black and white, but as friends who once sat in two different chairs, only to realize the seat beneath them was the same. And that, my friends, is the truth about racism. The labels don't define us. Our humanity does. Because in the end, the world doesn't remember the color of your skin. It remembers the color of your heart.